Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the keyboard shortcuts on the Excel file on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. After that, you should go to the top of the screen and tap on this help button at the top below the search bar. And after that, you should tap on this fourth button on the left side of the screen, keyboard shortcuts. And here you can find all of the available shortcuts on the left side of this table, and then on the right side column you can find a description of the shortcut. If you want to search within the list, you should use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in a keyword, and here you will be able to find your results. So if you are done, just tap on the close button and then you will be able to try out the shortcuts. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.